Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with session 3 of chapter number 4, that is early states of political system in India. So let's get started.
Social life and state administration of republic states. According to archaeologists, people of that time lived in simple houses. They were associated with pastoral activities. Pastoral activities means activities associated with grazing of sheep or cattle. At that time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. That means their main activity was agriculture and cattle rearing. People might have been using clay vessels, especially because archaeologists have found some of these vessels. Some of the pottery found at that time had drawings on them. These utensils were painted in grey color. So, along with agriculture and cattle rearing, they were also involved in the activity of pottery making. At that time, ruler of every state did every possible thing for the defense of his state. For this reason, strong and high forts were built around the state capital. Plenty of stones and bricks were used in it. Some of the kings used to build large, tall, and magnificent walls around their kingdom to showcase their power and prosperity. Magnificent means very good, beautiful, or deserving to be admired. Why do we have main door in our house? To protect our house from thief. Right? Same way, in ancient time period, ruler of every state used to protect their state with the help of strong and high forts. The brick wall from Prayagraj dates back to around 2500 years ago. So, we can say that forts with high walls might have been constructed at that time. All the Mahajanpads of this time needed a large strong fort for their defense. People were taxed to meet this need. Farmers used to give sixth part of their yield to the treasury. The artisans used to work in for the state for 1 day in a month. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax. The merchants used to pay tax on sale of goods. So, students, basically, each and every resident used to pay tax in one or the other way. Why? Because Mahajan Pads needed a large, strong fort for their defense. So, if you are a farmer, you have to give sixth part of your yield to the treasury. If you are an artist, you will have to work in a state for 1 day in a month. Same way, if you are into cattle rearing business, you will have to give cattle as a part of tax. If you are merchant, you'll have to pay tax on sale of goods. During the period of Mahajanpat, agriculture started to improve due to iron tools. As you all know, we have completed our chapter number 4 today. So, as a part of your assignment, you will revise the whole chapter. You will go through the exercises given and you will try to solve those exercises. Along with that, you will solve worksheet that is given to you. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.